What are grid and spiral search patterns in forensic evidence? Imagine trying to find a tiny piece of evidence in a large room. You need a smart plan to make sure nothing gets missed. That's where search patterns come into play. In forensic investigations, two common methods are grid and spiral searches. These are systematic ways to examine a scene thoroughly and efficiently. A grid search pattern involves two investigators working together. They start by walking side by side in parallel lines across the area. Once they finish one pass, they turn and go back in lines perpendicular to the first set. This crisscross movement covers the entire scene twice, making it very thorough. It's especially useful in indoor or confined spaces where small evidence like fibers or shell casings might hide. Because two people coordinate, they can cover more ground without missing spots. On the other hand, the spiral search pattern is usually done by a single investigator. They begin at a central point or at the scene's edge and move outward in a continuous circular motion. Alternatively, they might start at the outer boundary and spiral inward. This method is great when the evidence is suspected to be concentrated around a specific point. It's often used in smaller spaces or in water scenes where evidence might be floating or clustered. Spiral searches help avoid dead ends because the investigator keeps moving in one smooth motion, ensuring every part of the scene gets checked. Choosing between these two depends on the scene's size, layout, and what kind of evidence is expected. Grid searches are best when detail is critical and multiple investigators are available. Spiral searches work well for quick, focused searches, especially when working alone or when evidence is likely near a specific spot. Both patterns are part of a larger set of search techniques designed to find evidence efficiently. Using them correctly helps prevent missing important clues, which is key in solving crimes and building strong cases. Proper evidence collection is the backbone of forensic science and investigation work. These methods make sure every inch of a scene is examined carefully, giving investigators the best chance to find what they need.